Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with black alloy rims. We have our Z71 off-road package, Duramax diesel engine, running boards, and rear privacy tint. We also have our full-line truck bed, and on the inside we have our heated and cooled leather seats, sunroof, backup camera, and navigation. Now on to the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls. You can see we have our memory seat option, power mirror extension and fold-in, wooden trim, and below that we have our Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. Then left of the steering wheel we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive and lighting controls, as well as our heads-up display controls. Gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with black Chevrolet badge in the middle. Our push start. Infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Below that we have our radio controls, dual zone climate controls, heated and cooled seat options, vehicle controls, charging outlets, and trailer brake. We then have our wireless charging pad, two cup holders, padded leather center console with phone holder, and there's our key. You can see we have a remote start option as well as our power tailgate release option. Front seats are featured in black leather with perforated leather in the lower portion, and again they're heated and cooled. Our rear view mirror features a rear view camera built in. Above that we have OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, and our sunroof. Back onto the exterior we can see our Allison transmission Duramax badging, Z71 badging, and our black alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have 3500 HD featured in black, very subtly on the side, paint match mirror caps and door handles, our running boards and rear privacy tint. We have our side box steps, paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, our hitch tucked underneath. Then we have Silverado, LTZ, and Chevrolet all in the tailgate, also in black. Our backup cameras, and full-line truck bed with Chevrolet badge at the front. Moving on to the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, wooden trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear cup holders, charging outlets, and heated seat options. We also have our fold-out storage seats offering storage behind, and fold-down center seat with 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.